as you know how dangerous the sugar is, it's very important to find a sweetener as we all like sweet taste in some or the other way. But before finding the alternative, we all should know the concept of glycemic index. Any food you consume gets digested and then it gets converted to glucose, which gets into your blood and reaches your cells, which gives you energy. But every food has its own speed of converting into glucose. This speed of conversion to glucose is called glycemic index. Lower the glycemic index, lower the speed, better it is for your body, as sudden rush of glucose production can lead to weight gain, diabetes and a lot of other issues in longer run. Glycemic index is rated on a scale of 0 to 100. Anything above 50 is considered as a high glycemic index food. Glycemic index of sugar is 100, which is the highest of all, and that's why it's not good at all apart from the harmful chemicals it has. Here are the replacements for sugar which you can use in your day-to-day life. In the tabular format you can see the head of food, its glycemic index. Sugar has a glycemic index of 100. Jaggery, which is made from sugar cane, has a glycemic index of 84. Palm jaggery, which is made from palm tree, has a glycemic index of 34. Stevia leaves, also known as meaty tulsi or 100% stevia powder, has a glycemic index of 0. Monk fruit sugar or monk fruit powder, as you can say, has a glycemic index of 0. So above are the replacements for sugar. All you have to do is find it online on Amazon or other platforms and order it and start having it immediately. These items will not be available in your local stores around you as they are not so famous and majority of the people don't use it and are not aware of it. Here is your task. Your task is to order palm jaggery or stevia leaves or 100% stevia powder or monk fruit powder and start incorporating it in your daily diet and keep it in your kitchen. Also, the question arises is, what if you are traveling? You can simply carry it with you in a small airtight container or an airtight packet and carry it along with you in travel or at your workplace. Now you have clear idea about sugar and its replacements. That's it from this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.